and welcome back to one of my sit down videos. If this is the first time you're seeing my pretty face, hold on, click on the subscribe button, like this video, share this video, drop a comment and turn on the post notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a video. It's all good vibes, okay? Alright. Going to be a very quick one, and I am going to be sharing with you 5 ways you can make money online. So the first on the list is to be a graphic designer. So you agree with me that all businesses in this country, whatever country you have, needs a graphic designer. Be it a banking industry, be it a tech company, be it a construction company, be it a cosmetic shop, be it anything. Literally all the business in every country needs a graphics designer. Okay, so you can be a graphic designer from your comfort zone. All you have to do is just get the right content to the right people, and they give you the job whenever they need a graphic. So another way that you can make money is to be an affiliate marketer. With affiliate marketing, you can promote companies' products on your platform through a link. So if people buy through that link or click through that link, you get a commission based on what people are buying. So apps that you can use for affiliate marketing, you can use the Jumia app, you can use the AliExpress app as well, you can use Truth, you can use the Bamboo app, you can use the Piggyvest app. There are lots of apps that you can use to get money as an affiliate marketer. All you have to do is just create your platform in order to advertise the company's product, so people can buy from the company through. So another way you can make money online is buying and selling, which can basically tag as drop shipping. All you have to do with buying and selling is get yourself a buyer that can supply you with pictures of different products. If you want to make money from selling a product, just get a dealer or a supplier that sells hair and can supply you a product, and make sure whoever you're dealing with is a trustworthy person. So all you have to do is just get yourself an app to advertise what you sell, and then you add your own profit to whatsoever the supplier is giving you. So for instance, if Mr. Hay is a supplier for what can I use? Okay, for example, if Mr. Hay is a supplier for this lip gloss, and Mr. Hay is giving me this lip gloss for 500 naira, I don't have this product with me. Mr. Hay has the product. All I have to do is just advertise this product on my platform. You can use WhatsApp, you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook, you can use Twitter. Advertise this product, add my gain. Mr. Hay is selling it to me 500 naira. I can sell it to people out there for 700, for 800, for 1,000, for 5,000, for 10,000. Please don't go and make your prices outrageous, okay? So 700 naira is okay if I am to resell this from Mr. A. That is what dropshipping is all about. You don't need to have the whole money to start off. You can just post the picture this Mr. A is giving you, post it, add your price, and you start making money. So another way you can make money online is to be a social media manager. But before you can be a social media manager, you need the skills to understand the algorithm of whatsoever social media you use. You need to create content, you need to plan when to post, how to post, what to post. You need to be the one to give, you need to be consistent with whatsoever thing you're managing. You need to be consistent with it. That way they can be good, and that way you can make money. All you have to do is just sharpen your skills, take online courses based on social media management, social media performance, social media strategy, and things like that. Just take courses based on this to sharpen your skills, and you're good to go. So this is the last on the list, and another way you can make money online is to be a content creator. Content creator like myself, okay? So all you have to do is just find yourself a social media that you can monetize. To do as a content creator is to think out of the box, try and get things to create, and be consistent. Consistency is key as a content creator. If you want to monetize whatever content you're creating, consistency is key. Okay, I know if I should tag this as a way of making money online. But yeah, being a freelancer, you also get to make money online being a freelancer. And there's this popular app that I know of, fiverr.com. I mean, a website, fiverr.com, that you can use to advertise your product. If you're a graphic designer, then I would advise you to create a profile with fiverr.com and sell yourself. Video editing, you can also make money online from video editing. You can make money online from voice over. You can make money online, just like there are a lot of things that you can use to make money. All you have to do is just get the right people, do the right things. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.